It's the most wonderful time of the year. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm Coolio with the Flow. Welcome to another segment of Cooking with Coolio, White Castle edition, the White Castle Holiday Stuffing. Shaka Zulu, man. These buns are steamy and succulent, and it just tastes wonderful. Let's start off with our ingredients. I know you think that's balsamic vinegar, but it's not. That is beef broth. That's a beef broth. That's celery. Those are sweet peppers that have been diced quite finely. You also have some green onion, and we got some yellow onion, and we ready. What you're gonna do first is you're gonna disassemble your White Castle slider. So just take the bread off like that, okay? And we're gonna take the other bread off the bottom like that. Take your time, it's no rush. Is that my phone on? Somebody's calling me. Huh? Well, hello. And then I'm gonna have to call you back. I'm filming a White Castle commercial right now.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Okay, I'll call you and tell you how good it is. Bye. I love you. Okay. Now, so you're gonna take the piece of meat from White Castle, and we're gonna break that up. We're gonna crumble it. Actually, you don't want the pieces too big. Let me show you after I get that done. So we're gonna take it down to about pieces around this size. Well, you kind of want it to look like taco meat is what you want to do. Okay, so there you go. It should look just like that. And we're gonna do this bottom piece. It's gonna be in 9 crouton-sized pieces. Let me separate those so you can see how they look. So when it's done, the bottom piece should look like that. So you're gonna take a little celery. You're gonna take a little green onion. You're gonna take a little yellow onion. Take a little broth. Just a little bit. You don't want it soupy now, but you do want it wet. Wet but not soupy. Put a little broth in there. And what is that? That's cream of mushroom soup. Take a little of that cream of mushroom. We're gonna put that in there. Okay. And then you're gonna take a little bit of that meat. That's 100% beef, by the way. 100% beef. Now remember, I said you can do it with cheese or without cheese. I like to do mine with cheese because I'm just a cheesy kind of mother. So after you got that all done and mixed up correctly, it would look like this. You gotta be good to make it taste this good. You feel me? If it look good, it smell good, and it tastes good, then what is it? It is good. So we're gonna go and pop that in the oven. We have preheated our oven to 375 degrees, which we will cook approximately for 15 minutes. And then after 15 minutes, we're gonna drop it down to 350 to make sure we don't get too much browning at the bottom of this proper pan right here. Watch me. Your stuffing has been prepared. It has been disassembled, recoagulated, and the preparation is for non-separation. Watch me. It's so women home. Ladies and gentlemen, I proceeded to give you what you needed. It's the Ghetto Gourmet, baby. This is the White Castle Holiday Stuffing a la Coolio. Shaka Zulu! Bye. Long live sliders.